Liebestraum, written by Franz Liszt and arranged by Nancy Faber. Franz Liszt was one of the great pianists from the 19th century. He was considered a hero, like Sting, you know, the great pop player today, or you could think of your greatest pop stars. He was the pop star of the 19th century. His piano playing was considered to be amazing. And as you listen to the original recordings, you will agree that anyone who wants to play this piece in the original has to have pretty fast fingers. This arrangement is teaching you a couple of things. Number one, feeling of a sixth, which is changing here and there. Also creating a beautiful sound with the tips of our finger. So you're not just playing, you're singing at the piano with the tips of your fingers. When you get to here, your thumb is sliding over to play. Right? And that is the feeling in the right hand. The left hand is using broken chords, which are being accompanied by the pedal to make it a beautiful sound. When the harmony changes, you need to also change your pedaling. That's very, very important. On measure 7, you have a crossover. And it helps if you take your hand with you. See how my hand is coming with it? Because otherwise, it will be harder. So it's like you're strumming the guitar. The ending has an arpeggiated roll. And that's what that squiggly wavy line is. And it just says to play these quickly.